Good morning and welcome back. I'm meteorologist Lauren Wallace. A lot of rain to talk about, but first I want to get you out the door with your current temperatures. Very mild, 56 now in Fresno, 57 Madera, 53 Los Banos, same with Lemoore. Advertised this time of the year are in the mid 50s, so many of you already starting out there, and we're going to warm up to the 60s. So one more mild day before we see some big changes for tomorrow. So as I mentioned, a big rainmaker heading our way. We do have a flash flood watch that will go into effect at 10 o'clock this morning. That's the lighter green shades for the foothills and into the mountains. And then the valley, we have a flood watch that will go into effect also at 10 o'clock, and this will last through tomorrow. So this includes the entire valley. We're looking at a lot of rain. So in the valley, over an inch of rain possible between today and tonight. So by Friday morning, you're going to see some big rainfall totals. We will be concerned about flooding today and tonight. In the foothills, take a look at that. 2 to 4 inches of rain possible. So again, a lot of rain also means a lot of mountain snow for us, with snow levels around 8,000 feet. Winter storm warning will go into effect at 10 o'clock this morning. That includes Yosemite, Kings Canyon, into Sequoia National Park as well. It is above 8,000 feet that we are looking at 2 to 4 feet of snow. Closer to the crest, up to 6 feet of snow will be possible. Colder air will filter in on Friday, and that's going to drop our snow levels down to around 3,000 feet. But by then, a lot of this moisture will be winding down. So in the foothills, I don't think we're going to see too much in terms of accumulation. So here's what's happening right now. We do have some snow in the mountains, and then we have some showers starting to fill in. Some of you have been reporting at least some sprinkles across the valley. This is Merced County, light shower. Then we continue along 140 toward Mariposa. Also going to be seeing some light showers this morning. This is a little closer to the Fresno area. I've gotten reports of some sprinkles, at least in Clovis. This does extend up to Friant as well. Kerman, you're looking at a couple of light showers to kick off your Thursday morning. Here's Kings County, Lemoore into Hanford, at least a couple of sprinkles for you. And that continues into parts of Tulare County as well. So here's everything put into motion. Again, we're going to see the rain filling in throughout the morning hours, becoming much heavier throughout the day. This is the big picture. This low pressure system is what's bringing us the rain. Cold front is going to move through tonight. We'll still see the heavy rain tonight, but we'll also get the wind picking up. So it is going to be very breezy and windy overnight. Cooler air behind this front. You'll really feel that for your Friday. So we are going to be much cooler Friday and for your weekend. All right, let's talk about this timeline. We'll start you out at 7 o'clock this morning. Some of you seeing some showers, but we'll really see the moisture filling in as we go through the morning hours. So by noon, I think we'll be dealing with some very wet roadways, and then throughout the afternoon hours, take a look at that. We'll get some widespread rain, and it is going to be very heavy. So you'll want to pay attention for your evening commute. Right around 5 o'clock, I think we could start to see some areas of localized flooding. Evening hours, we will keep the rain around, heavy at times. There's 10 o'clock. Heavy rain will continue into the overnight hours before winding down tomorrow morning. So there's 7 o'clock. A lot of the rain will be out of the valley. I think we'll still see some lingering snow in the mountains. An isolated stray shower certainly possible tomorrow afternoon, but most of you are going to be drier. You'll really feel that cooler air and the wind for your Friday. Here's a look at your numbers. Here's your rainfall forecast through 8 o'clock this evening. We're talking a 1/4 of an inch up to a 1/2 of an inch for most spots in the valley by the end of today. But then you add on the heavier rain by tonight. Take a look at this. Here's Friday morning, 7 o'clock. Some spots will be seeing over an inch of rain. Again, foothills, 2 to 4 inches of rain possible. So we will be looking at the flooding. That is a big concern with this system. Air quality today looking good. Merced County, everyone else in the valley is going to be moderate. So here's a look at that extended forecast. Again, the rain and the snow, the big stories over the next 24 hours. The wind will pick up tonight, and we'll be left with some colder air that will linger through your weekend. So today's kind of the last mild day, 61 degrees for the high. Tomorrow, 53 degrees. And then take a look at this weekend forecast. It is going to be quite cool. 49 for your high both Saturday and Sunday. Your overnight low temperatures will fall to be near the freezing point. So we'll be looking at some frost potential, especially Sunday and Monday morning. 52 on Monday afternoon. Then Tuesday and Wednesday will be in the mid 50s. We do have our interactive radar at yourcentralvalley.com. You will want to keep up with that throughout the day. You can see exactly where the heavier rain is.